Welcome to the class. I want to introduce a topic on agriculture production. The first topic is Introduction to Agriculture Production. Welcome, and let's follow what I'm going to teach on this topic. Allow me to move to the next slide. Now, what is agriculture? So, agriculture can be defined as a science and art of cultivation of crops and rearing of livestock. So, in agriculture, we do both the rearing of animals and also we do cultivation of crops. So, you can be asked, why do you say agriculture is a science, and also why do you say agriculture is an art? So it's a science because it involves the use of experimentation and application of scientific knowledge in various areas. Examples of these areas we apply the scientific knowledge. We have number one, which is called soil analysis. In soil analysis, we can determine pH and acidity of this soil, and through that one we can say agriculture is a science. Number two, we do crop pest control and crop disease control. Also, this involves the applications of the scientific knowledge. We have also crop and livestock breeding. In this way, we use some genetic breeding, where we transfer one genetic from good breeding animals to those animals which are poor breeding. Then we call it a science. Then lastly, we have the use of farm machinery and structures. They also involve applications of the scientific knowledge. So why do we prefer agriculture as an art? So it's an art because it uses the skills which we acquire from agriculture in the following areas. We use number one in tilling of land. We use in construction of farm structures. We use it in measurement. We can measure the dimensions of the field or of the structures that we are going to construct. So it's also used in marketing. So agriculture is an art because it's used in marketing and also in feeding livestock. So by the end of this slide, I hope you have understood why we prefer agriculture as an art and as an art. What is the importance of agriculture? So why do we learn agriculture in technical schools? Number one, the reason number one we do it is it establishes industrialization framework. So by this we mean that it will enable us to develop some industries that will help us in processing the agricultural products. Then we have generates foreign currency through export of agricultural products. We know that we export a lot of agriculture products, tomatoes, we have bananas, avocados, and many more. And also from the animal side, we export meat, skins, and hides. So through that way, we get foreign currency, and this is an investment to the country. Then it creates employment opportunities because people are employed in the farms. Then it can promote indirect and also direct employment. Direct employment is where people are employed directly in the field. Then indirect employment, those are people who are not attached to the field, but they benefit from the activities of agriculture. We continue with the importance. We go to number 4. Importance number 4 of agriculture production is that it creates market for industrial products. So the industrial products, we mean like fertilizers. So you can be able to get a market for fertilizer if you are a producer. we have many benefits that the industries can get, like the market for seeds and many more. Even pesticide are those examples of uh, benefits to the industries. Then we have ensures constant food supply and food security for the population. This is through the use of new technologies. So a country is secured because we have a lot of products from the farm, hence there is food security. Then it contributes to rural urban migration. So it will enable people to move also from rural to urban migration. And we have number 7, it saves country funds that would be have rather been used in importing food from countries. So the money that was to be used by the country to bring food to the country because of deficit is much reduced by practicing good agricultural products. So I hope by now you have understood the importance of this agriculture to the country, and this marks the end of our lesson today. Thank you.